Hi everyone, this is Sheetal Sipin Matre, and today I am going to share with you how I perform the Akshaya Tritiya ritual. Akshaya Tritiya is believed to be one of the most blessed days in the year. It is said that the energies are so high that whatever you think, whatever you do will get multiplied. There is amazing amount of abundance energy around the earth, so one should make maximum use of these energies. That is why Akshaya Tritiya Puja is performed. It is also said that the poet Ved Vyasa along with Lord Ganesha started writing the epic Mahabharata on this day. This day is also considered the first day of Satya Yuga. It is also believed that goddess Ganga, that is the Ganga river, descended upon earth from the heavens. It is also said the poor Brahmin Sudama visited his childhood friend Lord Krishna in Dwarka with a handful of beaten rice on this day. The Pandavas received the Akshay Patram from Lord Krishna on this day. Akshay means that which is eternal, continuous, imperishable. So let's see what all we need for this puja or this ritual. I'll be telling you what is a must-have and what is optional. So, first and foremost, we need Lord Ganesha statue. It's a must-have. We need Goddess Lakshmi, Lord Narayan picture or statue, which is a must-have. I'm using Lord Kubera a coin. I'm using elephants because elephants are favorite. Elephants and owl are favorite of Goddess Lakshmi. I'm also using Lakshmi in the form of Vidya Lakshmi. The reason because I teach. Now Kuber coin, elephants and Vidya Lakshmi statue is optional. I've kept notes in front of God and goddesses because whatever you want to manifest, you need to have it in front of you. And since we want to manifest a lot of abundance, we are keeping the notes in front of us. I'm using Indian currency. You can use any currency you feel like. We also require incense for this ritual and oil lamp. Now oil is very is favorite of goddess Lakshmi. That's why we are using the oil. The other thing that you would require for this ritual is sweet. Any kind of sweets will do. If you don't have sweets, you can use sugar. I'm using uncooked rice and fruits. Now I'm using sugar cane because the elephants love sugar cane and goddess Lakshmi loves elephants. And owl, of course. So I'm using apple and sugarcane. You can use any fruits. If you don't have fruits, it's completely all right, no problem at all. So uncooked rice and fruits are optional. Sweets, you need to keep sugar if you don't have sweets. Okay, then the other thing that we would require is flowers. Any kind of flowers will do. If you get lotus, amazing, because she sits on a lotus. The other thing that you will require in this ritual is what you want to donate. So whatever you want to donate, you just need to keep it in a vessel. It can be clothes, it can be anything, you know, that you want to donate. I'm also using turmeric and kumkum for this ritual. So if you want, you can use it. So first let's start the puja. First I will apply haldi and kumkum to Lord Ganesha. If you don't have it, it's completely all right, no problem. I'm now going to offer Lord Ganesha a rose flower. Okay, I'm then going to apply haldi kumkum to goddess Lakshmi and Lord Narayan. Okay, and similarly I'm going to do to the other statues as well. You can also use sandal paste if you don't have haldi kumkum. This is my method of doing it, so this is what I do. Okay, so if you have some other method of worshipping, please go ahead. Now I'm also going to offer flowers to God Narayan and goddess Lakshmi. I'm also going to offer flower to Vidya Lakshmi, and of course We also have to offer flower to Lord Kubera. Okay, once you have offered flowers to the god and goddess, you need to chant Om Gam Ganpataya Namaha 11 times. Alright, and then you need to recite this prayer. So let's chant Om Gam Ganpataya Namaha. We'll be doing it only once since we have to complete the whole video. So I will say Om Gam Ganpataya Namaha. Then I will read this prayer. Lord Ganesha, please bless me with financial abundance, this or better, thank you. We will then recite Shri Mantra 108 times. The pronunciation goes like this: Shri. We'll then say, Dear God Narayana, Goddess Lakshmi, Lord Ganesha, Kubera, please bless me with financial abundance, prosperity, this or better. Thank you. So, after doing this, we will sit and absorb the energies of the ritual that we have created. We'll absorb the energies of abundance. I will then hold the donation that I'm going to do. So I'm going to tell the gods and goddess, please bless this donation, this charity. I'm so grateful that you have given us enough that we can share easily with others. So please bless this particular donation so that whoever it reaches is happy. We're going to keep that aside. Then we are going to just sit and look at the entire ritual. We are going to say thank you for all the wealth that the god and goddess have blessed us with. We are then going to say that, dear God, goddess, if while performing this ritual I have done any mistake, please forgive me as I am your child. Thank you, thank you, thank you. After this ritual is done, you can distribute the fruits and the sweets as prasad to everybody in the home, and you can just give this rice either to charity, or I would suggest that give this rice to to somebody who would really need it, because Goddess Lakshmi loves charity and loves integrity. So this is a simple Akshaya Tritiya puja that I do. If you want to do any modification in terms of this puja, you can just go ahead and do it. This is just my way of doing it. Thank you so much. Have a great day.